Yo, before I jump into this video, I have to say this. Thank you for the new subscribers who subscribed to my channel. For my new subscribers, I got a motorcycle helmet for the hat related stuff today. And next week, I got a bonus video for you guys. It's something hat related. I gotta show you guys next week, so check it out. So let's start the video now. So guys, today I'm reviewing motorcycle open face helmet dot approved 3.5 quarters helmet with sun visor for adult motorbikes, scooter, bikers, for men and women. So my review for this helmet is 8 out of 10. So guys, the reason why I got this helmet because I got a cheap scooter. Last time I went to my cousin's house and I tried out their scooter. It was pretty fun. So that's why I got a scooter, and you know I gotta stay protected, so that's why I got a helmet. So guys, let me tell you guys why I give this helmet an 8 out of 10 now. My first reason is the two visors. The two visors is amazing for this helmet because the sun visor block out the sun, the clear visor block out anything flying at your face while you're using this helmet. And my other reason with the visors, you could also take off 2 of the visors at the same time or 1 of them at the same time. And you don't really need the visors if you don't really want it to. And my other reason is this helmet is comfortable to put on and is easy to buckle it and unbuckle it. And guys, the last thing I have to say is the material from this helmet is pretty strong, but it could be a lot more stronger. But with the clear visor, when you get a scratch on it, it's easy to buff out. You could like rub it with a cloth or something and the scratch go away. That's the one thing is good about this visor. Yo guys, I got this helmet from Amazon. I got it for $80. I think it's a good price for it. If this video helped you guys out, please like and subscribe, comment, and see you guys.